Feeling overwhelmed, drained, or just plain burnt out? Your nervous system might be begging for a reset. Let's dive into simple yet life-changing solutions to manage stress, sleep better, and stay energized without the crash and burn habits. Stress is sneaky, isn't it? It can creep into your day, mess with your sleep, and leave you feeling like you're always running on empty. But here's the good news. Managing stress and calming your nervous system can be as simple as what you eat, how you sleep, and even what you drink. Ready to take a calming deep dive? Anti-stress foods. Fuel your calm. Your kitchen might be hiding some anti-stress superstars? These foods can help ease tension, fuel relaxation, and promote a happier mood. Magnesium-rich foods, the relaxation mineral. Magnesium is like a warm hug for your nervous system. It helps regulate brain chemicals that control mood, curbs anxiety, and relaxes tense muscles. Add these to your diet. Dark chocolate. Not just a treat. It's a stress-busting secret weapon. Choose at least 70% cacao for maximum benefits. Leafy greens. Spinach, kale, and Swiss chard are packed with magnesium and fiber, helping your digestive system stay happy too. Nuts and seeds. Almonds, cashews, pumpkin seeds, and sunflower seeds make perfect snacks to keep you calm. Whole grains. Quinoa, brown rice, and oats offer both magnesium and steady energy to avoid blood sugar spikes. Don't like some of these foods? No worries. Supplements with magnesium glycinate or magnesium citrate are often easy to digest options, but always check with a healthcare provider before trying any new regimen. Adaptogens, nature's stress fighters. Adaptogens are herbs that help your body adapt to stress. They support balance and resilience within your body. Popular choices. Ashwagandha, known for regulating cortisol, the hormone linked to stress. It can help you calm down while staying focused. Rhodiola. Want energy without jitters? Rhodiola might be your new best friend. It increases focus and fights fatigue. Holy basil, also called tulsi. This calming herb is perfect for sipping as tea. It may reduce mental fog and combat physical tiredness caused by stress. Adaptogen supplements and teas are widely available if you can't easily find these herbs in their raw form. Again, choose what works for your lifestyle. B-complex vitamins, your brain's best friends. The B vitamin group, like B6, B9, and B12, plays a massive role in energy production, nerve health, and mood regulation. Here's where to find them. Oats. They're like comfort in a bowl and offer a slow release of energy to keep you going all day. Avocados and bananas. Full of B6, these fruits are also excellent for maintaining balanced blood sugar levels. Proteins. Think lean meats like chicken or fish. Bonus points for salmon. It's full of omega-3s for stress-busting synergy. Eggs. An underrated breakfast staple offering healthy fats along with stress-reducing vitamins. If you're vegan or vegetarian, you might want to consider a B12 supplement, as this essential vitamin is primarily found in animal products. Natural sleep aids. Rest deeply, reset effectively. Stress and sleepless nights? They often go hand in hand. If you've been lying awake tossing and turning, there's hope. These natural aids will help you reset your sleep cycle without relying on heavy-duty medication. Melatonin-friendly foods. Your body naturally produces melatonin, a hormone that signals your brain it's time to sleep. Boost it with tart cherries or cherry juice. Rich in melatonin, they can gently nudge your body toward a restful sleep rhythm. Bananas. Also packed with magnesium and potassium, they help relax muscles before sleep. Magnesium and calcium combo. Ever heard of the connection between calcium and relaxing the nervous system? Combine it with magnesium for double the muscle-soothing power. Popular options. A warm glass of milk. Yes, the old-school remedy works for relaxing nerves. Greek yogurt with a dollop of honey. Perfect for an after-dinner treat that won't keep you up. Herbal teas for sleep support. Hard day? Wind down with a cozy hot beverage such as chamomile tea. Famous for its sleep-enhancing compounds, it helps calm your mind. Passion flower tea. Ideal when your brain is racing as soon as your head hits the pillow. Peppermint tea. If digestion keeps you up at night, this tea offers a 2-for-1 bonus calm for your stomach and mind. Lavender's magic touch. Think aromatherapy is just fluff? Think again. Lavender has proven calming effects. Use it to set the mood for sleep by diffusing lavender oil in your room 30 minutes before bedtime, spritzing your pillowcase for soothing aromatherapy, adding a few drops to a warm bath to unwind after a long day. Calmer energy with caffeine alternatives. Caffeine can pick you up, but often leaves you crashing later. Try these gentle, energy-boosting alternatives that avoid the highs and lows. Matcha tea. Calm, but energized. Matcha is your go-to when you need focus without feeling jittery. L-theanine, an amino acid in matcha, creates a state of relaxed alertness, perfect for work or study sessions. Herbal coffee alternatives. Craving the taste of coffee but not the jitters? Look for blends like chicory root coffee. Nutty and earthy, it tastes similar to coffee and supports digestion. Dandelion coffee. A caffeine-free drink that may help cleanse the liver while keeping you focused. Green smoothies, nature's energy boosters. Start your day with a blend of nutrition and hydration. Try this simple recipe. A handful of spinach. 1 banana for natural sweetness. A splash of almond milk or coconut water for hydration. Optional. Add a tablespoon of chia seeds for sustained energy. Adaptogen-powered drinks. Pre-made drinks with herbs like ginseng or rhodiola are a convenient way to boost energy. They're an excellent option when you're on the go but don't want the caffeine crash. Don't underestimate hydration. Sometimes the biggest energy zapper is dehydration. Keep a water bottle handy and spice it up with natural flavoring like cucumber slices, berries, or lemon. It's refreshing, simple, and effective. Take control of your calm. Now imagine this. A life where you don't just look calm on the outside, but actually feel calm on the inside. By fueling your body with anti-stress foods, prioritizing restful sleep, and swapping caffeine for calming energy boosters, you're one step closer to that dream. Control stress. Sleep deeply. Embrace calm energy. Doesn't it sound amazing? Remember, this video is for informational purposes only. Before making significant dietary or lifestyle changes, consult your healthcare provider. What's your go-to tip for calming your nerves or tackling stress? Share your favorite stress-busting routine in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more practical, science-backed strategies to manage stress, support your nervous system, and create healthy, sustainable habits. Together, we can build a calmer, healthier, and more resilient life. Until next time, stay calm, stay balanced, and take charge of your best self. See you in the next video.